Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And it's been a little bit since we posted a video. We took a little bit of time off for the holidays, so I wanted to spend some time with the family and stuff. I hope you guys had a good Christmas and a good Happy New Year. And we're back. So we have another install video for you guys tonight. And we've been wanting to add some lights to this unit. We added this. And we were thinking about adding like a 40-inch LED bar up here, or maybe some LP6s on the side over here. Reading some forums, I guess if you put the LED bar right here, you get a lot of glare if you have a windshield. So I didn't want that. And with the windshield on here, it's kind of hard to put the LP6s on here because unless you put them right here on the mirror, this is covering the front bar to where that would attach to put the light right here. So the next best thing that we found that we thought would work for us would be to put in a new set of headlights, okay? And they're not any normal type headlights. They're actually made from Heretic. I think that's how you say it. And we picked these up from them. Let's go ahead and check these out. And as you guys can see, there you go. So there's 3 pods here. Each pod's 1200 lumen. And it's supposed to be double the light from the factory headlight. It's made out of aluminum. I believe it's 6061 aluminum. And you guys can see, get a close up of that. It's a real nice piece. And it's supposed to be just plug and play. So it should plug right up to our harness from the factory. We haven't looked at it yet, but you gotta figure out how to take that headlight out. But it's supposedly supposed to bolt right in, and it's supposed to plug right into the factory harness. So if you guys can, it's kind of what it's going to look like. I think it looks cool. It's going to change up the look of this front end. It's going to give you more light. So we're going to have 2 times the light on our headlights. We're going to have this right here. Should light up the trail pretty good. So I think what we'll do is maybe we'll want to pull it out. We'll take a before and after. So we'll just pull this out, close the garage door, put the headlights on against the door so you guys can kind of see. And then once we get done and we got these on, we'll do the same thing. We'll pull it out and show you guys the difference. So let's go ahead and do that. Just regular. Okay. You guys can see it's not bad. They're LED lights. We're hoping that the other ones are going to be a little bit better. And then here's the brights. Regular. Here's your brights. I don't know. That's not too good. We're hoping the other lights do a lot better than that. So then you guys can see, I don't know if we ever showed you this. We got the rigid lights on here. So you're backing up. You can have those so you can see behind you. And then also we have the dome lights on so we can see inside the cab. I don't know if we ever showed you guys that out. I want to show you that. chase lights. we'll go ahead, we'll pull this back in, and we'll get to showing you guys how to install these new LED headlights. So, looks like there's a bolt back here that we need to take off. I believe this is a 7mm. Yep. And then we'll go from there. So let's take that bolt off first. I want to show them so they can see it. It's right back there. Right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll get that done. Alright, so we got this new one in, and it was pretty simple. There's just 3 bolts. You guys can see there's 1 bolt here. This is going in like that. So you have a bolt here, and then this one's hidden. Took us a little while to find it, but we found it. There's a bolt there, okay? And then you have 1 big one right there. So that's basically it. Take those 3 bolts out, put these 3 bolts back in. You use the same hardware from the factory, and then you just plug it in. So that's that side. And I think it looks pretty good. Looks totally different. You guys can you show them the other side and this side at the same time? Kind of like in the middle here. No car's in the way. But you can see what it looks like over here, and then what we did over here. And then this thing's going to be same thing. We'll take those 3 screws out, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and let's get that done. Alright, we got it all installed here, guys, and I tell you what, it looks pretty sharp. Everything bolted right up where the old headlight assembly was from the factory. Just use the same 3 bolts, and as you guys can see, looks like it belongs there. That looks sharp. I think it changed the whole look of the unit. So let's go ahead, let's do our comparison. So we'll go ahead and take it outside. And hopefully there's a difference. There's a low beam, a high beam. Definitely more light. I don't think it goes out as far as the factory ones did, but you can see it kind of lights up this whole thing right here. Let me go ahead and back up a little bit. bright. There's a regular factory. There's a regular. Right. And then here is the bumper light. With the brights on. See how it looks from the front. The grill light on?
Yeah.
I don't think the camera does it justice. That's a big difference. That's just with the headlights. Low beam. Man, low beam with the grill light looks cool. So that's what's going to be coming at you at nighttime. So I think it's plenty bright enough. Let's go ahead, let's pull this in. I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, so that's that. I like them. Also, these are adjustable, so you can adjust these. There's different bolt holes. You can adjust them up higher or lower, whatever you guys want to do. I'll see how it goes, and if I have to make any adjustments, I'll just go ahead and make adjustments. But as far as the look, as far as the brightness, they're definitely brighter than the factory LEDs. I think they look much cooler. I like them. And basically, you got 1200 lumens each pod, so it's like 3600. So supposedly it's supposed to be double the factory LEDs. And it only took us like 15 minutes to do, and we were taking our time. So all in all, not a bad job. If you guys are interested in these LED lights, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also make sure hit that like button, comment down below, make sure you follow us on Instagram, and I think we're up to like 6,000 subscribers, so you guys are hitting it off the park. So I appreciate it, appreciate everything you guys do for us, and with that said, see you on our next one.